over the years, owning swimming pools has gotten a lot easier. The amount of work you have to do has been reduced. The amount of things like inputs, so chemicals, lotions and potions, that's all reduced. And in many ways, pools are becoming a lot smarter. They do the thinking for you. So essentially, pool ownership has got a whole lot easier. And like many households now have robot vacuum cleaners trundling around the place, collecting the dust and the dog hair and the debris, many pool owners also have robot pool cleaners in their pool, which for the most part work in a bit of a similar fashion. But how do you make sure you're choosing the right model for your pool?
Feel like I'm finding peace and melody.
Justin, great to meet you, mate. How are you?
Nice to meet you, Walt.
So, beautiful day, sunny day, suburban Melbourne. This is an epic pool build. I mean, it's small, but it's beautiful. This is one of your elite network of builders, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's been built by Matt from Swimco out in Nuttawattie.
And they're a Maytronics, like they're a favourable supplier, aren't they? Because they build and supply premium stuff.
They do. They're one of our elite builders. So yes, one of the premium builders.
So white pools, as beautiful as they are and as on trend as they are, they come with their own set of challenges, don't they, when it comes to keeping them clean? Because I've had one, I can speak from experience, a layer of dust, dirt every morning on your ledges and on your steps. What have you done to sort this homeowner out?
We've put in an M700 Dolphin robotic pool cleaner with a really ultra fine filter, which really helps to get all that dust and dirt, all the really fine dirt off the bottom of the pool.
That's the thing, because if you don't have that level of fine particulate filtration, it sucks it in and catches the leaves and stuff, it spits the dirt back out again.
Straight back into the pool.
Straight back into the pool, into your filters, and they work even harder. But I noticed that these guys, they don't have any suction line. Like, where are you sending all the water? Like, how does it work?
Well, all the water's being filtrated through the robot, but essentially all of the debris and fine dust are being caught into the basket.
Right, so there's nothing to do with the pump, nothing to do with the pool's filtration system.
Not at all. It works totally independent from the filtration system as part of the pool.
So presumably then I can go to the shop, buy one of these, put it in the water, turn it on, and off it goes, yeah?
Simple plug and play. It's putting a lot less stress and pressure on the pump, but also the filtration system, because all the dust, dirt and debris is being caught in the basket. So then simply you pull the robot out, open the lid, pull out the basket, empty it into the bin, give it a quick hose out, and then she's ready to go again.
Obviously there's like a couple of features you must have. You've got to have that checklist. What are some of them?
Some of the features would definitely be via the app, setting it up with Bluetooth and also Wi-Fi.
So they're all app controlled these days, aren't they?
Completely controlled via your phone, which is fantastic. You can set up a daily timer or a weekly timer, the start and finish times. You can also turn the lights on and off if you wanted to run it at night time.
How on earth do you choose the right model for your pool? Because this is probably what, 6-7 meters maybe?
Yeah, it's probably 6 or 7 meters by about 3 wide.
Yeah. If I've got a bigger pool or even smaller pool, how do you know that you're not going overkill, or how do you know that you're not going to buy a product which is actually not going to manage your size?
One of the really good ways that Maytronics do this is you can jump onto the My Dolphin website, you can put in the size, the shape, and the finish of your pool, and it'll give you a good, better, best option. So there's really a Dolphin for every home budget.
So like a selector compare tool.
Absolutely.
That is genius.
And you can actually book in a demo, and what we'll do is we'll have our local retailer come out, bring the robot out to your backyard, put it in, and talk you through the features and benefits on how it works to make sure that we get the right robot for you.
So if you're not already on board with the Dolphin range of robots from Maytronics, get on board. It is a smart move in a literal and a physical sense. And being able to use a selector tool on your device to be able to shortlist which one might work for you is genius. And of course, being able to demo it at home in your own pool is a game changer. You'll find all those details on their website. It is mydolphin.com.au.
And the whole world just went stereo.
Well, that is just about all we have time for on today's show.